What's up, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? AcesBlackStar in the building. I just wanted to create this video real quick because a lot of people have been asking me, what broker am I using? Is it working well, or whatever the case may be? So I just did a $25,000 withdrawal with Fyntura, and I want to show you guys the process, the evidence, the receipts, whatever the case may be. So with that being said, let's jump into the computer. Alright, so here we are in my computer right now. I just want to show you guys real life. This is the website right here. I'm going to go ahead and log in. No screenshots, no none of that. No fugazi. We actually do this. So let's go ahead and log in. Get my access code. Alright, as you can see, these are my two accounts that I have right here. And let's go ahead and go to transaction history. And as you can see, deposits, withdrawal right here. This is $25,000. Just did it on the 14th, which is today, as you can see. So I will keep y'all updated when it actually hits my account. And just let y'all know, just so y'all can know that it's legit. And if you are interested in this broker, I will leave a link below. That's up to you if you want to use it or not. It is an affiliate link, just to kind of be 100% transparent, so I don't get anything when you sign up as far as money wise, but I do make commissions when you actually trade. So just for transparent purposes, that's what it is. So the link will be down low if you are interested in this broker. It does have indices, it does have MT4, so you are good to go.
Somebody say, "Hey, what's your alarm clock?" My passion. My dreams wake me up. I don't need no alarm clock.
Now, how does it feel to achieve such success?
I've never really viewed myself as particularly talented. I view myself as, slightly above average in talent. And where I excel is ridiculous, sickening work ethic.
Yo, it's your boy Young Cash, giving a shout out to AcesBlackStar. You already know what it is. CEO, boss man, AC Music. We out here.
What's up, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? I am back again with the results. So I am a little late, I apologize, but I had some things going on. So here we are. It's the website. Just to be 100% transparent, ain't no screenshot or nothing like that. Let me go ahead and log in. Get my access code. Log in. If I go to withdrawals, or actually go to transaction history, and these are the deposits, and here's the withdrawal right here, 25,000 approved. So they did send it, and this is exactly where they sent it, and this is exactly when I received it. 3/18/2024, 4:12 p.m. I wasn't able to record the actual conversation. One of the directors, or I guess whoever is entitled to me personally, gave me a call to ask questions about the last 4 digits or numbers on my USDC address to verify that it was legit and everything. And that was basically it. She just wanted to confirm with a real person that this was the right address, and she did ask about some commission-free stuff, if I was interested in it. I said no, just send me my cash, and they did. So as you can see, received 412, that's the address, 24985, and I withdrew $25,000, as you can see right here. So even if you are trying to compare fees and stuff like that, even the fees are not a lot. But yeah, Fyntura is legit. Like I said earlier, I will leave the link in the description if you are interested in joining the team, joining the Boss for What team. We can help you out, help you make some money as well. So hey, ain't nothing to it but to do it. If you've been looking for MT4, if you've been looking for a trusted broker, I mean, ain't no more trust in this. $25,000 withdrawal. Took a couple days, but hey, it did happen. I did request it on a Wednesday. Didn't hear anything Thursday. Didn't hear anything Friday. But then I end up getting a call on Sunday, and then Monday it came through. So with that being said, let's make it happen, y'all. Boss for What? AC gang. And just like that, that is the broker I'm using. Those are the withdrawals that I'm doing. And like I said, if you are interested in this broker, go ahead and click the link below. Sign up. Get back on MT4 and get back to doing what you know. Nothing wrong with any other platform. I just like MT4. I got my advantages with MT4, so I'm going to continue to use MT4. All right. I'll see y'all on the next one. Let's get it. Oh, smash that subscribe button if you're interested in motivation, education, and inspiration. I don't really talk too much about trading, but if trading is something that you're interested in, I will go ahead and drop my Instagram right here. Just send me a message on Instagram or something like that, or leave a comment under this video. I'll probably get it faster if you just leave a comment under this video if you have anything about trading or any questions about trading or anything like that. I'm not nowhere near a professional trader or a trading guru. I've just been doing this for a little while, a year to be specific, like full on a year. And yeah, we've been able to take advantage of a lot of opportunities. A lot of income was made last year, and we just gonna keep on going this year. Whole Boss for What movement. We helping people make money, live life, and just really live. Like, there's nothing really else to say. It's all about living life. You know, nothing against jobs. We don't have anything against jobs, but I like for people to operate in their passion. So if you are passionate about something and you might have to work your job in order to get the funds that you need to get in order to invest into yourself so that you can do what you're passionate about full time, I am all for that. If you know exactly what you want to do in life, you don't need a boss. You can tell yourself what to do. You should be doing it each and every day. So that's really what the movement is all about and what it stands for. Like I said, there's nothing against jobs at all. We all have to start somewhere. I started with a job, so that's just what it is. When I moved here to Georgia, I didn't have anything for a whole year. Then I started working for Manpower, which is a temp service agency here in Georgia. And then I started working for McDonald's. I moved up from McDonald's. I went to Goodwill. Then my son was being born. After that, I actually left Goodwill for another opportunity where I worked on movie sets. So you probably seen Half and Half Nots, the originals, Hunger Games. I actually worked on those sets. I wasn't an actor or an extra or anything like that. I was actually a utility. Hi. So all I literally did was sweep floors and maybe hold a 2x4 so somebody can nail it in. That's it. That's just being 100% transparent. Like, I did not do any kind of work. Don't try to look for me in those shows. You won't see me. It was strictly sweeping the floor, making sure the environment was clean so that people can do their work and get it done. But I want to stop rambling. If you're interested, just hit me up and we can make something happen. Let's go. Boss for What? Holla. Check it for AC, DC, and on the shoulder. Blackstar, make a real, don't wanna hear show. So if you with it, AC, baby, go and do the most. Bring that over here, go and bend it over. AC hand on the shoulder. Blackstar make a real don't wanna hear it show. So if you with it, AC baby, gon' do the most.